create retro videos like this,
Follow TechHalla on X, TikTok and YouTube for more AI prompts and tutorials.
We should listen to this random woman. I already do. He's one of my favorite bald guys in the AI art community.
in less than 10 minutes with the help of AI. And if you stick around till the end of the video, you'll see how to include yourself in the scene. Guys, you're wonderful. And if you leave a like, a comment or save this video for later, you're off the charts. Let's go! Here's the game plan. We'll use Remix to create the images, but this time we'll activate a special, super useful mode. Also, Facemix to include our face in the clip, and for the voices we'll use 11 laughs. Adobe Audition for the vintage effect, Udio for the background music, Runway ML to animate our characters with lip sync, and finally Capcut for the final edition. Let's get to it. We head to Remix, and this time we are going to reuse a prompt from another user. Well, from myself actually. We search for TechHalla under Users, click on this post, and then hit on Remix. We'll tweak the prompt a little bit, ditch Jason Voorhees, and write whatever comes to mind, like Snoop Dogg. We click on Done, and then we are going to change the aspect ratio to 4:3, and then we'll select the model, in this case dynamic. This means Remix will pick the model for us. We hit generate and wait for our image to be ready. There we have it. Once we've got our character ready, we head over to 11 Labs. We pick a voice,
Life without love is like a tree without...
type in the text and click on generate speech. And there we go.
I already do. He's one of my favorite bald guys in the AI...
We just download the clip and take it to Adobe Audition. We're going to apply a filter, clicking on Filter and EQ. Choose All-Time Radio, turn this up a little, and give it a try.
I already do. He's one of my favorite bald guys in
Not
the
bad,
AI art...
but we can make it better. Let's add another filter, right here again, click on FFT filter, and on Hold EQ.
I already do. He's one of my favorite bald guys in the AI
This is
art
better.
community.
Apply the changes, boost the gain a bit,
I already do. He's one of my favorite bald
and
guys
that's
in the
it.
AI art
Save the
community.
clip in MP3, and we are going to use it in Runway. Through lip sync, we upload our audio, we upload our image, the one we just generated, and click on generate. This process will take about a couple of minutes, but the final result is worth the wait. Let's see.
I already do. He's one of my favorite bald guys in the AI art community.
Follow TechHalla on X, TikTok and YouTube for more AI prompts and tutorials.
We should listen to this random woman.
We head back to Remix and click on Remix to tweak the prompt a bit more. We are going to adjust it to a character that looks like us, in this case a bald man with beard, and hit generate. We wait for the image to be ready, and once we have it, we click on Facemix. We choose a photo or take a selfie, as you can see in the video. Then we crop the image to fit as best as possible, and we wait for Facemix to work its magic. There it is. And now the process is the same. We export the image, generate the audio, add the vintage effect, and then animate it with Runway. Now let's head over to Udio and type in this prompt. Old vintage music, vinyl, retro effect, music from the 50s. We choose instrumental and hit create. We'll wait a few seconds and then test out the songs that have been generated. Not bad, too festive maybe. This one's too jazzy, not what we are looking for. This one, I'm not quite sure what it is. I don't dislike it, but this last one is the best. It fits perfectly with what we are looking for. And now we've got everything ready, we import it into Capcut. Generate the subtitles, apply some filters.
Follow Techhala on X, TikTok and YouTube for more AI prompts and tutorials.
We should listen to this random woman. I already do. He's one of my favorite bald guys in the AI art community.
Guys, you're wonderful. And if you leave a like, a comment or save this video for later, you're off the charts. What do you think? I believe you can achieve amazing results with these tricks I've shown you. And I love for you to share in the comments what projects you are going to do with this workflow, and also let me know, please, what you like to see in future videos, as I'm thrilled to help you with your projects. That's all for now. Techhala signing off. Bye bye guys.